So we'll just jump right in. Why Google Business Profiles? So here we have an image of a coffee shop. Does anybody want to go drink a coffee at this coffee shop? Looking a little run down. Maybe they're open, maybe they're not. Or if this one's across the street, which coffee shop are you going to? I mean, obviously we're headed over to Starbucks, right? You can tell they're in business. Which one do you think you're gonna have to pay more money for a coffee? You're probably gonna be paying more money for a coffee over at this one than this one. So why would you go to that one? The same thing is about to apply. What about this one? So this is a Google Business Profile. Anybody want to shop there? Anybody want to call this plumber in Altus? What if it's sitting right next to this one? It's essentially the same thing. So whereas you had your real storefront, obviously paint, windows, all that stuff matters for your business to bring in customers. Well, in this scenario, it's the exact same thing. This is your digital storefront. If your digital storefront looks like the rundown shop that you're wondering, are they even in business? You're probably not going to get very many clicks. As opposed to this one over here, you know that you're about to spend more money with that guy than you spend with this guy. Yet you still don't call this guy. You know he's more expensive. So what does that mean? That means that if you do this right, if you optimize your Google Business Profile, not only can you charge more, but you will also get more customers due to it. So it's kind of a win-win, and it's a free service. So that's why we are here today. Because who doesn't want to print their own money? I mean, that's essentially what we're doing when we optimize our Google Business Profile. If you're at the top of your Google business, if you're at the top of local searches, you will get 10 times more calls than the guy that's just 3 or 4 steps down from you. So you're essentially just printing money just because you did this free service.